Hello everyone. In this video I will demonstrate the new functionality to control 5-axis machines to avoid singularities and avoid collisions. So we have a simple 5D contouring operation here, and job assignment is defined like this, and we have 5-axis machine. This 5-axis machine has axis A and axis C. Okay, if we calculate toolpath as it is defined, let me make it this way, then we will have the next toolpath. So we have collisions, and we would like to avoid it. And also the problems with the singularities in some places. Okay, what we have done, we make axis map enabled, and we create new kind of axis map. What we have here, so the horizontal axis is the toolpath length, and vertical axis is axis C. So in fact we can define the C axis in every point of our toolpath and calculate A axis automatically. On this map we define the deviation. We show the deviation of tool axis from the axis that is defined in the job assignment. So in fact the white zones, the place the deviation is less than 5 degrees. This zone is place the deviation is less than 20 degrees. I can, for example, set 4 degrees build map. Okay. Also, it's possible to calculate the collisions. And so we have the place the collision can be defined. So these blue and light blue dot lines, it's optimal solution. The place the deviation is 0. So in fact I have to select one of these solution and switch to another solution in some places. So to do it I just double click and put the point, so this one, and for example in this place we have, and we're going through the collision. So if I want to switch to another solution, just click here, click here, click here. That's ready. Maybe I don't like this place, then we have, so if I want I can make it this way. And check the ready. Thank you very much for your attention.